This is the soldering station. It is quite big and bulky. So let's make something unreal.
Now the device is completed. It looks really nice to me. What do you think? Let me know in the comment section below. Before showing you the output, let me talk a little bit about today's sponsor, PCBWay, which is one of the most popular PCB manufacturer in China. Besides manufacturing high-quality PCBs, They also provide professional level assembly services. If you are ordering for the first time, your order will be absolutely free of cost, so feel free to try them out. This device can be used both as a soldering iron and a hot air station. To use it as a soldering iron, we need to insert this tip. We can solder any kind of PCBs and circuits using this iron. And to use it as a hot air station, we need to insert this tube instead of the tip and switch on the air pump, which will allow us to desolder and resolder SMD components. I hope you like this video. So that's it for now. See you in my next video. Until then, bye bye.